So Simon 7,
Chapter 10.
chapter 10, question number 2, part C. Alex would like to target specific neighborhoods in Richmond for door to door canvassing and needs to determine who will be assigned to each area. So Alex is the manager basically. He wants to target specific right area in Richmond, door to door. So what he should do, right? What he should do by participating management in this state would be helpful. He should use the participative management. The salesperson in Alex's office may have information or experience regarding certain neighborhood in Richmond as well as their participation would consequently enhance the eminence of the pronouncement. Basically, if the realtors know the area, you assign them particular area, so it will bring the business up. It will boost the business, and they'll become a neighborhood expert. Enthusiasm and assurance may perhaps also subsist superior if recruits employment in neighborhood to facilitate they decide if they appreciate the reason why they have been signed a pre-arranged neighborhood. Membership motivation permit the recruits to catch a glimpse of the predicament. Alex has formative neighborhoods intended for door-to-door convincing. In addition to this, may possibly enhance its receipt. Only three things to remember. Number one, he should use the participant management. Number two, he should use the enthusiasm and assurances. Enthusiasm and assurance. Number third, he should use the membership motivation. Right? Three things he use: participative, enthusiasm, emotions, right? Membership motivations, right? And assurance. Only key things to remember. What number one? Participative.
Participative.
That will enhance, right? Then he should use enthusiasm and assurance. Then membership motivation, right? That's good enough. And then we go to the question number, we'll do the question number 4 first, right? Question number 4, worth 4 marks. You have been included in a New York group formed to organize the annual company softball tournament. Only minutes into the first meeting, Trevor Linden clearly emerges as the leader. Discuss the two major functions that Trevor must perform if the group is to perform productively. So, what two functions he should do? Being a leader, Trevor should focus two major functions. Number one, task related functions. Number two, social emotion functions. Right? Task related and social. Task related, first thing he should use, number one, organized way. Number two, then he monitors. Number three, he mediate to solve the problem. Right? Number four, he complement. Number one, organize in an organized way. Number two, then monitor. Number three, then mediate to solve the problems. Number four, compliment, praise them. So then he can become an effective leader. But how would he do it? Using two methods. Number one, task related. Number two, social emotional functions. If I go over again, it means Trevor needs to plan the softball tournament in a very organized manner, well in advance. He also has to monitor his group's progress on ongoing basis, right? And he also has to make sure that his group is running smoothly. In order to maintain his group's self-confidence, Trevor needs to work as a mediator to solve his group's disagreements and also need to compliment them on his group's excellent teamwork. This way, Trevor can organize an annual company sort proven effectively by being an effective leader. So four things to remember: two function, task related function and social emotion. Number one, organizing organized way, well in advance. Number two, monitoring the progress on ongoing basis. Number three, in order to maintain the self confidence, mediating to solve groups disagreement. Number four, complementing them for the teamwork, right? In order to be an effective leader. So very, it's worth 4 marks. And that's it for this.